fall up there. Pretty much got it ready, I think, to push over. Something to haul. Let's back it up a little bit. Get the teeth angle a little bit better. Maybe we'll go up. Yeah, that's what I want. Alright. Tracking's the key, and getting some weight up there on it. Alright. That, right, the bucket's pointing right at the Bostick fireplace. I was trying to put this on that existing burn pile, and pretty much it made it. And this will just be a matter of cleaning this stump up some and tidying up all that mess.